If you're looking for new and exciting ways to make homemade jams, jellies, dips, appetizers, and more, then this channel was created just for you. But before we get started, if we haven't met before, my name is Marletta, and I am the creator behind the Twisted Jalapeno channel. This video is going to be pretty short because this is just an introductory video to my channel. I love trying new things, and I wanted to create a space where people of all skill levels could learn how to make their own spicy creations. I'm not a chef and I have no formal culinary education, but I love cooking, and I especially enjoy using hot peppers to add a kick to my dishes. Experimenting with peppers, particularly jalapenos, has been a passion of mine, and I'm always looking for ways to put a unique twist on classic creations. I've learned what works and what doesn't, so you can share in my successes and hopefully learn from some of my mistakes. I'll be posting videos twice a week, and in each video you'll learn to use a variety of peppers in different ways. More importantly, you'll learn how to use them to enhance and not overpower whatever it is you make. If you like the sound of everything I've just described, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing.